Alright guys, some of you wanted to see my radio activation system working once I got it up and running, and lo and behold, I've got it done already. The decoder came the other day. I just couldn't wait to get my proof of concept going, and it really wasn't that bad at all. I just configured this and it took me about 30 seconds. The instructions are really great. It's the DTMF-8 Plus from Intuitive Circuits, and it's really simple to use. I mean, even I can do it. I have no experience with these relays whatsoever. I have never worked with DTMF stuff before, but the instructions were great. It's really simple to use, and I'm sure if I can get it, any of you can. And I'll show you how it works. You have the AC adapter plug all the way on the right, and then how you feed it the DTMF audio is actually through an RCA input jack on the back. That's the next plug over to the left, and then you have your 8 relays on the back, and I'll try and get it focused here correctly. And I have the alert function hooked up to relay 1. I didn't bother to get cancel or attack going yet because I just wanted to prove that this sort of system would actually work. I didn't want to waste a whole bunch of scrap wire. But per the AR timer's wiring instructions, terminal 6 is obviously going to be your common. And I have terminal 6 wired up to the common port on relay 1. And I have the alert function terminal 4, hooked up to the normally open portion of relay number 1. And as far as attack goes, that'd still be having your common go back to terminal 6, but your normally open would go to terminal 3. Put that back there for now. So yeah, I already have the AR timer hooked up to power. As you can see, the pilot light is on. Our signal lamp is going to be right here, and I'm going to go ahead and transmit the DTMF code, which is going to be a 4-digit password. I just happen to want to set a password because I don't want some stray signal setting this off, because it's really as simple as sending whatever tone for the relay you want. For example, you want relay 1 to latch. All you do is press the number 1 on your DTMF radio, and the way it works is as long as it's receiving that, so as long as you're depressing the number 1, that relay is going to be latched. And if you want relay 2 to be momentarily closed, you just hit the number 2 on your radio, and so on and so forth. But for the AR, all you need to do is click it. It doesn't need to be held down or anything like that. It's really dead simple. So I'm going to show you it, and what it's going to be is a 4-digit password and then the number 1. I'll try and get it all in the frame here. And there it goes. It got it right there on the first try. It usually does. The only time it didn't was when the wire came loose, but hey, you can't blame it for that. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and I hope it makes it a little bit easier for you guys to figure this out. I know Jinx Radcliffe was really wanting to see a demonstration of this because he wanted to set up a system similar to this himself. So, Jinx, if you're watching, I hope this makes it a little bit simpler for you, and thanks for watching, guys.